Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to download songs on your iPhone from YouTube. First of all, open up the App Store. After opening up the App Store, search here Document. Click to open the app and tap to install the Documents app. Then tap to allow the app to find and connect to devices on your local network. Now click to continue and tap on Let's Start. Choose the personal option and click to continue. After that, select the music and video file and tap to continue. Then, choose the download files from the web and play music and video option, then click to continue. Skip their suggestions and trials. Continue using My Files and VPN for privacy after the tour. Now click on the browser icon from the bottom right corner. Here search your favorite music MP3 download. Then click to open its site to download the song. Scroll down and tap on 320 kbps song download. After adding the song in downloading, click on Done from the top right corner. Tap on Download icon. Here you can see the downloading is in progress. Then open up the inbox and here you can see your downloaded song. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.